Hello everyone, how are you? How are you doing? This is Stinging Nettle part 4. Let's see how after 32 days, let's see how they grow. This is my best example. I don't know, is it clean now? I want to show you the stems, how they are small stinging stings on the stems, and if you closely look you might notice even on the I'm shaking too much. Let's do this angle. Yeah, so they're very protective. I tried to touch them, they still don't have formic acid. If you put your nose, yeah, it stings a little bit but doesn't have a formic acid still formed, but it's protective. Seems these guys from Ontario are growing much better than these guys here from BC, because they introduced a lot of baby grass. This was fully open, half covered, and completely covered. Same thing here. Fully open, half covered, completely covered. So I decided to remove the cover because they're kind of outgrowing a little bit. Originally I'm gonna put them into this thing and give them a little bit more room before transferring to the outside over there. Okay, my wife is gonna take control now. Okay, thank you. So grab the first one here, put it here. See, I cut it just in order to show you guys how the root system is working, right? Oh, it's easy. Okay, I don't have to cut it. Oh, I don't want to make too much mess. See how it works. It's really nice. The system of roots and stuff. But then I realized probably it wasn't a good idea. It was a good idea. Look at the stings. You see the stings? Here. So I'm just gonna put them right here. Same mixture we used the last time. Whoops. Just gonna put it here. There we go. Put it inside. Actually, put it outside. A little bit messy. That's how it works. Zagrabin. What's that? On Croatian, Zagrabin means you grab. That's the one. It looks ugly, but we can always do this. Spray them nicely to remove the dirt and to give them moisture. Good, one is done. One is done. Goes back here. I want to see this one. This one works. Oba. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, they smell already. They smell. See? Oh, they're very nice. I hope I didn't destroy this one, the big one. Oh, I know what you wanted to do. You told me to zagrabish. That means like this. Yeah, now I know what you meant. Okay. One more time. Going across here. That's okay. You just need more room, more support. they're gonna be fine. We'll put them here. Put them here around. Well, that's a little bit too much. Maybe I'm gonna put a little bit here. Okay, a little bit more. Put them around. And the same thing. Do the same thing. If they survive this torture, I think they're gonna survive everything. That's my opinion. They can survive this. Now. Right? I'm doing that first time, and I'm trying to show you how it looks. But as I said, if they survive this, they're gonna be able to survive anything.
Yeah, because it looks like torture.
Feels like and looks like torture. And plus it looks like I'm gonna be cleaning for a long, long time to go. This one looks like it's having trouble. But you know what?
Just leave it, it will go up.
Just leave it, it's gonna go up. Okay. And that's it. Ooh, nice. See, a lot more room here. So I just wanted to tell you that they start to grow the stinks about 20 days. Actually, just a couple of days ago, maybe 27, 28 days they start to grow stinks. A lot of mess. And now we're gonna take this guy here. See, root system is good, but I don't like this, right? I don't like these guys here. His baby grass, I don't like it. I really don't like it. You making some sounds, Katrina? That means you're not agreeing with what you see here, basically, right? Well, I assure you, I'm gonna make it nice. Everything. It's gonna be almost perfect. Torturing the plants. They still thrive. Let's see about that. Here. Two more to go. I think I don't have enough. Oh, I think granddaughters are having fun. Maybe a little bit too much fun upstairs. Well, it is what it is. I'm not gonna put too much here. And last one is not so happy guy because it's smaller or smallest. There are only 2 plants available with this one. I might as well toss this one, but I'm gonna give them a chance. I'm just gonna give them a chance like everybody else. Of survival. So if they survive, that's good. If not, but I tried my best. Only 2 of them. That's enough. Messy, but finally done. See, gardening inside, outside, it's always messy. Always messy. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean them nicely, nicely, nicely. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for torturing the part 4. Stinging nettle. They still don't sting, but when they sting, I assure you, I'm gonna try it. First on my nose or my fingers, I'm gonna show how it works. They're very, very healthy. So they're worth every single effort here. Bye bye. See ya. Clean up time.